3D modeling a pizza. Delete the starter cube. Add in a circle. Fill it in. Now inset your vertices. Delete the center faces. Delete all faces except your slice. Add some loop cuts. Extrude up. Extrude and bevel crust faces. Add a subsurface modifier and shade it smooth. Add bumps for realism. Duplicate faces for the cheese. Add a solidify modifier for thickness. Model some pepperoni. Finally, set up the scene and adjust the lighting. And here's the final render. Comment what I should model next.